Right, so I'm down at the Catholes waterfalls and it is cold, it is freezing, as you can see that. So my next YouTube video is up in Mayo, around Achill and Keel Beach. I was down there for a week and was just messing around with the drone and the camera, so hope you like it. If you do, like, comment and subscribe, and sure, I'll talk to you next time. Bye. Ooh, very bright. Green and clucking and cooking. Headed up to Achill Henge. The farmer did this out of concrete. Not sure why. I think it was because he didn't get planning for something. But just put the drone up. Some pretty cool artwork inside though. Unless there's some other strange meaning behind it, but I don't think so. But I brought the drone, so I got some good shots up above. We'll put them up. Yeah, just down for a run at Keel Beach after coming down from Achill Henge, which is up over there. Oh, it's about 3 kilometres long, the beach, a little more, and down the Cathedral Rock. So this is pretty cool. Go all the way through. Look at the different lines from erosion. Got this one here. So that's pretty cool. Oh, it's actually quite warm out today, considering the rain they had down in Mayo, up in Mayo. Very warm. But yeah, here's the rock. Get back. Pretty cold. Downpatrick. I'm going to try get the Eire 64 sign over there as well. But yeah, look at the view. It's been a long time coming. Took a bit of driving to get here. But let's see. Did we get anything worth looking at? We'll be able to merge then. Hopefully we got some good shots with the drone up and the camera. So we'll see. I really think this is deadly, the way these are all bubbly. But we'll see what we got, because the clouds are looking very ominous now. The blue skies are no more. They are way off out at sea. Across here, you can already see the rain tapping the mountains. It's coming this way. be hard to focus, but I just saw this. I flew by it really quickly. Let's see what I can make of it on the old camera. Merge. Just outside Mullarani. It's got these flooded little plains here. I'm gonna put the drone up and get a picture of it. The funny thing is, you can see the sheep just out grazing. I'll get an old shot of it with the drone and see what it looks like. So I got to Moorhall. Is it there? Another building torched during the Civil War in 1923, Pakistan. The place was burnt to the ground, nothing that could be done. Shame. Like so many other big estates. They just wrecked the houses, well, burnt them down. Different times, different times.